How to fix Instagram login error. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I will teach you how you can fix Instagram login error. So whenever you're trying to log in into a new account in Instagram, you type in username, phone number or email address and then your password. When you tap on login, and if you get a login error, you can try some of the most common solutions. So one of the most basic one is trying to fix your network. So what you'll have to do is make sure you are connected to a good internet connection. Make sure your Wi-Fi or mobile data is working properly. If you have a problem with your Wi-Fi, you can try switching to your mobile data. And if you have a problem with your mobile data, just try connecting to a good Wi-Fi. After that, after you've made sure that the internet is not an issue, try to update your app. For that, head over to Google Play Store. If you see an update button on Instagram, tap on update and update the app. Even after that, it does not work, try clearing out the cache. Tap on your settings, head over to apps, tap on see all apps, then search for Instagram. After you find Instagram, tap on it. Then tap on storage and cache, then tap on clear cache. After you've cleared out your cache, if there is any corrupted temporary data, that will be removed and you can then try to log in into your account. If even that does not work, sometimes there can be issues with the server themselves, so you might want to try again after a few hours. And doing that, your problem will get fixed. And that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.